Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying key account prerequisites. Confirm your email, phone, and two-factor authentication are active so recovery is possible. Once done, open the NGL app and check for the latest update. Outdated clients can trigger access blocks. Make sure you're on a secure Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, and back up any chats or screenshots now because adjusting settings can remove transient data. This ensures you won't be locked out while you proceed to change permissions and appeals. You then go into settings and focus on privacy and access controls. Inspect each toggle and disable any restrictive options that may trigger the block. If the app was linked to third-party logins, revoke and then reauthorize those OAuth connections to refresh permissions. Next, clear the app cache and force stop the app on your device. Sign out and sign back in so the server updates your new state. These steps refresh tokens and often resolve access-restricted flags without waiting. You finish by submitting a concise appeal through Help Right Arrow Report a Problem. Include clear screenshots, timestamps, and a short explanation of what changed and why you believe the restriction is incorrect. Once submitted, be patient. Reviews typically take 24 to 72 hours, so monitor your email, including junk. If nothing changes, reset your password and enable two-factor authentication. Then refile the appeal. This demonstrates security compliance and often speeds resolution. Troubleshooting tip: if appeals stall, try a different network and device when resubmitting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.